Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonobrene. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the trigonometric ratio of special angles, which are angle 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So all I have here is just a simple demonstration using the Geogebra Classic software, and I designed this applet for you so that you can use it in your classroom anytime you want to teach your students trigonometric ratios of special angles. Instead of them memorizing it, why not use this applet to demonstrate it for them, and the understanding will be easy for them. So let me give you the demo of this applet so that you know how you can use it and you are good to go. Alright, you can see what I have here. Method, you can see the thumb, which is signified as a 90 degrees. You see the smallest finger, which is signified as 0 degrees. Then you see the ring finger, which is signified as 30 degrees. Then the longest finger is labeled as 45 degrees. Then the index finger is labeled as 60 degrees. So these are the special angles we have. So how do you find the ratios of these various angles? So remember, once again, the finger is your left hand. This is your left hand fingers we are using in this demonstration. So this is the simple formula you just need to remember for you to get your ratios. So if you are looking for sine of any of the angles 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90, just find the square root of numbers of fingers under divided by 2 if you are looking for sine. Then if you are looking for cos, find the square root of numbers of fingers above divided by 2. Then if you are looking for the tangent of any of these angles, just find the square root of numbers of fingers under divided by square root of numbers of fingers above. So let me show you the operation in this area. Now you can see I am at 90 degrees, and this angle I have here is sine 90. So you can see the slider here is on sine, which is on the left side here. So what is sine 90? From the formula we have here, we say square root of numbers of fingers under. So if the thumb, which is your 90 degrees, so how many fingers do you have under? We have 4 fingers, starting from the smallest finger, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So square root of 4 divided by 2, and square root of 4 you can see there, which is 2 divided by 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So therefore sine 90 is going to give you 1. So if you do the same for other angles, you see the formula will give you the same result. So to get other angles, just click on this slider. You can see angle is 4. So as you move down to angle 3, you see that is 60 degrees. So how do you get sine 60? Don't forget the formula, number of fingers under. So how many fingers are under this index finger? There are 3. 1, 2, 3. So find the square root of 3 divided by 2 using this formula. So you can see it, and it's very easy for you to remember trigonometric ratio of special angles using these techniques. So this applet, you can get it from the description of this video. You can use it anytime in your class. Just go to the description of this video, click on the link I placed there, you download it, use it anytime you like in your classroom, in your private tutorial with your students, and you will enjoy using this applet when teaching trigonometric ratios, especially when you have to deal with special angles. So let me just play around with the applet and show you how it works. So this is 45 degrees. Number of fingers under, there are 2. Find the square root divided by 2. So if you go down again, for 30 degrees, we have 1 finger under, which is 1. Square root of 1 divided by 2, which is 1 over 2. Then finally 0, so there are no fingers under. So square root of 0 is 0 divided by 2 is 0. So this is for sine of angle. So if you want to get for cos, click on this slider, just move one step, we are now in cos, that is cosine of the angle. So 90 degrees is number of fingers above. So how many fingers are above 90 degree here? So there are no fingers above. You can see no fingers above. So square root of 0 divided by 2. According to this formula, you can see that is 0. So if you come down 60 degrees, though there are 1 fingers above, which is this one, divided by 2. Find the square root of 1 divided by 2. You can see the result. So if you do the same for 45 degrees, the same thing, square root 2 over 2. If you do the same thing for cos 30, there are 3 fingers above, 1, 2, 3. Find the square root. Don't forget this is the formula we are using now for cosine. Then divided by 2. So 3 fingers above, find the square root, divided by 2. So that is cosine 30 degrees. Then when you go to 0 degrees for cos, you will see that there are 4 fingers above. You can see them 4 fingers above. Then divided by 2, which is square root 4 over 2, which is 2 over 2, that is 1. So that is for cosine. So if you want to get the one of tangent, you can move this small slider here to the right. You see, that is tan. So for tangent is also easy. Just remember the formula: square root of numbers of fingers under divided by square root of numbers of fingers above. So how many fingers do we have under here? We have 4 fingers. You can see then 4 fingers under, which is 4 fingers under and no fingers above. So square root of 4 divided by square root of 0, and that is undefined. Since the denominator is 0, so tan 90 cannot have a result, so it's undefined in mathematics. So if you move down to the next angle, which is 60 degrees, you can see the number of fingers under. There are 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we only have 1 finger above, which is 1, and that is 3 fingers under and 1 fingers above. You can see to square root 3 over square root 1, which end up giving you square root of 3. So tan 60 is square root 3. So if you move to 45 degrees, number of fingers above, there are 1, 2. Number of fingers under, there are 1, 2. So which is this? 2 fingers under, 2 fingers above. So find the square root of 2 divided by square root of 2, and that is 1. You can see it. So if you go to 30 degrees, we have 3 fingers above, 1 finger under. You can see it, 1 finger under, then 3 fingers above, and that is square root 1 over square root 3, which end up as 1 over square root 3. Then finally for tan 0, if you check it again, number of fingers under, there are no fingers under, so square root 0. Then how many fingers are above? There are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So square root of 4. So 0 divided by square root of 4 will give you 0. So tan 0 is 0. So this is how you can use this applet to find the trigonometric ratios of special angles. So that is all I have to show us in this applet, which I designed using the Geogebra Classic software. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget, once again, if you like this applet and you want to use it anytime to teach your students, go to the description of this video, click on the link I placed there. You will download it and use it anytime you want in your classroom. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.